am talking about my favorite role model. A role model can be a famous person. For example, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson is a role model because he is good at dancing, and my favorite role model is Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is good at playing basketball, and he is famous worldwide. Why do I like Michael Jordan? My favorite number is 7, but second favorite number is 23 or 45. My first reason is his first game was in 2011. This was Jordan's first NBA game. It was his first Jordan. A no-goal game, but I think he skipped practice and got better. My second reason is I like Jordan. He is a very famous basketball player. For example, Ronaldo is a famous soccer player, and Michael Jordan has won so many prizes. A lot of people know about him. He has this one type of famous sneakers. They are called Jordans. I think his shoes because they are very pretty. In conclusion, I think my role model is Michael Jordan because he is famous and he is a good basketball player.